Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Honor X70i. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app Code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Honor. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, you need to click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and point your camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and hit the Receive button. Whatever you decided, just wait.
Wy kłamcy, jesteście bandą oszustów!
Co się stało? Co ty...
Close an ad, and as you can see after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe.